Have you ever wanted to play your favorite games without dealing with the noise of loud GPU fans? Many people resort to overclocking the GPU to reduce fan noise, but this can decrease performance and lead to instability within the system. As a solution, you can build a fanless GPU using NVIDIA's Ampere architecture. An enthusiast going by the name of Revit Cases put together a passively cooled graphics board powered by NVIDIA's Ampere architecture, using a 15-year-old Arctic cooler, and shared the experience on SFF Network. Using NVIDIA's professional-grade RTX A2000 GPU, with 3,328 CUDA cores, 6 GB of memory, and a 70 watts power consumption, Revit Cases was able to passively cool their GPU with a cooler from 2008 to 2009, called the Arctic Accelera S1 Rev. 2, which can easily be purchased from stores like Cooler Guys and eBay. Since the RTX A2000 performs just as well as a GeForce RTX 3060, Revit Cases was able to build a fanless GPU and keep it stable without sacrificing the performance. However, if the RTX A2000 is still too expensive for you, but you still want to achieve fanless cooling, then the better option to go for would be NVIDIA's RTX 4000 SFF Ada generation board, which offers GeForce RTX 3070 level performance and comes with up to 24 GB of memory, all while only consuming 70 watts of power. Though, this type of board is a bit expensive, at $1,250, it is still your best option for fanless cooling. So, in conclusion, if you want to build a fanless GPU, you either need to stick with a professional graphics card for compact workstations, or downclock a consumer one. Revit Cases has done a brilliant job of showcasing a fanless GPU, and with the advances in technology, there's no reason why you can't achieve just the same, so why not give it a try?